Python. Everybody loves Python these days. It's the most popular programming language and one of the most easiest to learn. You can create web pages and you can also create applications. Why not try out this simple print function? So first go into a text editor. I'm using the one on W3 Schools. Type in print bracket inverted comma, write your text. I'm writing hello world. After the text, close the inverted commas and the bracket. So you have the print function here. You have the text that is going to import here. The inverted commas differentiate what should be printed and what is not going to be printed. And then the code will be executed right here as hello world. Now that's it for today. There'll be more to come. Comment in the comment section below on what I should create next. If you have any particular lines of code you want me to do, I will do them for you. Write down in the comment section below. Follow me on all my social media. Bye.